Hey Booze, it's Becca Barissa. Today is July 3rd and we're going to go to the festival. Look, baby! Look out the window!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Screaming.
People are just like, no, they're not. They don't sound excited. Whoa! We had to park over a mile away to find parking.
If you just heard that.
Yeah, so we're just waiting to crash traffic. Yeah. It's so pretty.
Beautiful out.
It's got their boats out today. Look at the huge boatway out there.
Yeah, nice big boat.
Right. We're getting closer to the festival. We had to walk so far. Oh yeah, there's where all the food and flea market is on that side, and then there is the rides on that side.
I think chicken fried rice sounds really good.
Yep. Yummy. You do like circles. Take a picture. Here's the ticket. Bobby! Vroom vroom, baby!
M&M's one. I should have put him in the Mountain Dew or Monster. I didn't see that one.
Bobby!
You got the cool one though. It's
hi, baby! He's like, what the heck is going on?
Monster Energy.
Great. Babies! Oh, he's not crying. That's a good start.
He's doing good.
He's like, what the heck? Yeah! Are you in a race car, baby?
Woo, we're right here.
Hi, baby! Yeah, baby! Oh, he gave him a high five because he's giving all... His elephant ear.
Yeah, my elephant ear is already half gone and it's still big.
I just got a pretzel with some cheese. He's so cute. Oh, okay, bye. Got some brats and hot doggies.
Bad boys are getting a little toasty.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, I like the flowers.
Happy 4th of July.
Yes. Got the babies, eat some foods. Holy shit, we're so beautiful.
Hell yeah.
We all got drinks.
Starting to feel it. I'm like 3/4 of the way through one of these guys.
Whoa. I know. Whoa, baby. Yay.
There it goes again.
Wow, baby, look. Oh, I think it's done.
Yeah.
Yay. Hello.
Hello.